Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 1.3 and today I'll show you how to hard reset a device and also remove a screen lock if you have one that, well, you might not know. And quickly lock the device so you can see I do have a pattern set and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know it. So number one, we'll need to hold power key to power off the device. When the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. And this will take us to the boot mode. So from here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down basically. You're looking for recovery mode to be right up here. Now it is a little bit cut down, but you can see there is recovery mode. And from there, press power key to confirm it. And you should see Android with no command in a second. And there we go. So to get past this, hold power key, press volume up, and this will take us to recovery mode. And in here, again, using volume keys, you want to scroll down in order to select wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it with power key. And again, select factory data reset, and again, confirm it. This will begin formatting and you should see the data wipe complete, and then reboot system now should be selected by default, so press power key once more to simply reboot the device. Now the device will be rebooting for a little bit longer than it normally takes. That's because it's going to continue the reset process in the background, but once it's finished we will be then presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.